This is Ron's 2015 Toyota Tundra. Now, Ron came to us and started working with us after serving 20 years in our military, and although he was an older guy compared to the rest of us, he still had the same desire that we all had to customize his truck. So we changed up a few things when he first started, but this was really only phase one for Ron, and there was a lot more to come. So we kind of went on with this new build plan, and Ron really wanted to get on board with taking off a lot of the chrome and making it more of a blacked out appearance. So we got to work, started replacing things like the grille. We added new mirrors. There's a whole bunch of lighting going on and just a bunch of new stuff, including a new set of wheels and tires, as well as upgrading to the coilover system that is offered with the new ReadyLift kits using the Bilstein coilovers. One of the major appearance changes for Ron was adding these ADD bumpers. Now, ADD is a brand that we've been working with for a long time on a lot of our personal builds, Ron's included, and actually now we offer them on the site after we've been running them for, quite a while now. So we added those, both front and rear, like I mentioned, along with a whole bunch of different rigid lights and pods, cubes, all of that stuff, to kind of give this truck more of the off-road look that Ron was looking for. For wheels and tires, Ron wanted to keep somewhat of a show appearance, but also still have some functionality to the truck, so he went with 20x12 -44 Anthem Avengers and wrapped those in 37x13.5 BF Goodwrench KM3 mud terrains. We went with a black and milled wheel on this truck because it really tied in well with some of the other chrome pieces that you'd find. Even though we eliminated a lot of it, you still have a little bit left on some of the grille as well as on the fender flares. To wrap things up, we added a Wilco tailgate with a spare wheel and tire mount, a Wilco bed rack, a rigid light bar inside the front bumper, and a Rough Country 12,000-pound winch with synthetic rope. From the old man build that this once was, we really hope Ron enjoys his new truck and his new life down in Tennessee.